Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Today over here we are going to unbox the Redmi Note 10T 5G. 5G being the keyword over here. Now this phone is very similar to the Realme 8 5G and Poco M3 5G. In fact, it's a little too similar. It comes with the same Dimensity 700 processor and a lot of the other specifications are also similar. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and unbox this Redmi Note 10T 5G in our super chill way. Alright, first up on the back side over here, there are some specifications written. For example, it comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. Now this is an affordable 5G processor. It also comes with a 90Hz Full HD Plus display. Now this is an IPS LCD display and not an AMOLED one. It comes with a 48 megapixel AI triple camera and a 5000 mAh battery as well. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, first up there is a sleeve inside over here, and inside this sleeve there is the SIM card ejector tool. Then there is some paperwork which is always boring, and finally we also do get a case inside the box. So this is a clear transparent case, nothing exciting over here, pretty normal stuff. Next up is the phone itself. Now the phone is in this blue color, looks nice man. Let me go ahead and first remove the plastic. So this is the Redmi Note 10T 5G. It comes with a polycarbonate back panel or a plastic back panel because it is a budget smartphone. Now let me go ahead and quickly turn this smartphone on. Alright, while it switches on, let's see what else do we get inside the box. First up is the charger. Now this charger is rated at 9 volts at 2.2 amperes. So basically it will support 18 watt fast charging with this smartphone. Apart from that, there's also a USB type A to USB type C cable inside the box. So pretty normal stuff inside the box, nothing exciting over here. Let me keep everything inside and we'll get back to the phone. Alright, first up I want to try on the case, and nice, the case fits on pretty snugly. Now one thing that I want to mention over here is that this phone does come with a pre-installed screen protector, so that is a good thing. Now this phone comes with MIUI 12 out of the box and not MIUI 12.5, so that is kind of disappointing. I would have loved to see MIUI 12.5 out of the box. It is now time to set up the fingerprint sensor. This phone comes with a side-mounted physical fingerprint sensor on the power button. So let's go ahead and set it up. Alright, the setup has been complete. Now let's go ahead and check the Android version like we always do. The settings, about phone, Android version, and yes, it does come with Android 11 out of the box, so that is a good sign. Now as I said in the start of this video, this phone is very similar to Realme 8 5G and also Poco M3 5G. It comes with the Dimensity 700 processor, which frankly is a very good processor for this price point. It's 5G as well, the performance is good, and processor wise I have no complaints whatsoever. It is a good choice. But there's always a but. You are giving up a lot for 5G over here. For example, the display. This smartphone comes with a 90Hz Full HD IPS LCD display. It's not an AMOLED display, whereas the competition like the phones from Xiaomi itself, everything is AMOLED. So in this price range, having a 90Hz LCD display is kind of a con in 2021. When it comes to the actual display quality, it is good. The viewing angles are good, the colors are good, but it is not as good as an AMOLED panel. An AMOLED panel over here would have been great. Even a 60Hz AMOLED panel would do the job, but no, this is an LCD panel. I guess Xiaomi has spoiled us because of Redmi Note 10 Pro and Pro Max. Both of these phones come with a 120Hz AMOLED panel. Those phones have seriously spoiled us. Alright, now let's go ahead and check out the cameras. So on the rear side there is a triple camera setup, or should I say only a single camera setup, because the primary one is a 48 megapixel camera, then there is a macro camera and a depth sensor. So I'm going to say a single camera. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, let's take one of the setup over here. Anurag, say hi. Maybe one of the box. One selfie as well, because that is always important. As far as my first impressions go, the cameras do seem promising. The dynamic range is decent enough. The colors are good. The white balance is on point. The photos are detailed as well. And yeah, for the price, the photos do seem good. So I am impressed with the primary camera over here. And same goes for the selfie camera as well. Detailed selfies, the skin tones look natural. And yeah, it does seem good as far as my first impressions go. Now, apart from that, this phone comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. That is always appreciated. As I said, it also has a fingerprint sensor on the right side over here, integrated into the power button. button, and it also comes with the IR blaster. Now, as far as the in-hand feel of the phone goes, it is slightly on the heavier side. It is not as lightweight and comfortable as the Redmi Note 10, 10 Pro or even the 10 Pro Max for that matter. It is slightly on the bulkier side. Now that is bound to happen because this phone comes with a 5000 mAh battery. That is impressive. 5000 mAh is seriously impressive. All in all, I would say you are giving up a lot over here just for 5G. If you use your smartphone for 3 to 4 years, then yes, definitely you can go with this one because it is 5G and it is future proof. But if you don't use your smartphone for 3 to 4 years and if you change your smartphone in like a couple of years, then I would say go with some other better 4G phone out there from Xiaomi itself. For example, the Redmi Note 10 Pro. That phone makes much more sense if you change your phone in a couple of years. But with that being said, there are a lot of people out there who don't change their phone for 4 years or even 5 years. For those people, this is a solid option out there because it is future proof with dual 5G support. Like both the SIM cards will support 5G. Alright, it's now time to talk about that giveaway. So yes, I will be giving away one Redmi Note 10T 5G to one lucky viewer out there. All you have to do is go to my Instagram page, which is at Technolobe, and follow me over there. That's it. Once you follow me, you will be entered in the giveaway and I will choose one random winner 2 weeks after the video goes live. So definitely participate. It's a very easy one. So anyway, this was my super cheap unboxing of the Redmi Note 10T 5G. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.